Are you looking for a career that is exciting, high-paying, and always evolving? Or wondering why people from all backgrounds, doctors, lawyers, teachers, artists, even flight attendants are diving into the tech space? Today, I'm going to tell you why a tech career might be the life-changing move you need to make. Hi, I'm Brenda. I'm a software engineer and a tech mentor. I've been in the tech space for over 5 years. I won't say I transitioned into tech because I've always known that the tech space is where I want to be. Many people think that tech is only for geniuses. That's a lie. Tech is so much more than sitting in a dark room and writing complex algorithms. Did you know that tech salaries can be up to 75% more than the average salary? That's a huge earning potential. Now let's leave the talk about money and let's talk about the opportunity. Tech jobs are everywhere, and I mean everywhere. All industries need tech talent. Let me put this challenge to you. Go to the comment section and name one industry. Name one field that don't need tech people. Just name one. I'm waiting. Name a company that don't need tech talent. Tech jobs are expected to grow by 13% in the next decade, way faster than any other industry or field. So what does this mean for you? It means that the tech industry is not going anywhere, and it needs people from all backgrounds. There's a space for everyone. Bring your unique skills you learned from your other industries and bring it to tech. I know what you might be thinking. I don't have a computer science degree. You don't need a computer science degree to be in tech. You must have known that by now. Many tech roles require little or no coding experience. A few years back, during my internship, I was doing a job that I don't like. Nothing about the job excites me. You struggle to work in the morning, you repeat the same tasks every day. Like, it was so boring. I knew that I wanted something more, something flexible, versatile. I know that I had no other option than to bury myself in the tech space. Fast forward to now, I wake up every day excited about the work I do, the problems I get to solve, and the incredible people I get to meet. The tech industry is super supportive of newcomers. 93% of tech professionals are open to helping people that are just starting out. Almost everyone, right? Like me. You'll find tons of online communities, mentors, and even free resources to get you started. All you need to do is just decide on the field you want. Just choose a field. One of the main reasons I decided to pursue a career in tech is that tech gives you something other industry can't: flexibility. Many tech roles offers remote work, flexible hours, freelance opportunity, and the ability to work part-time. Imagine designing your own work-life balance, which is suitable for homemakers and mom like I am. I know you may have so many questions. You may be wondering, what do you need to get started? How long will it take to get job ready? What are the employers looking out for? Like I said earlier, there are so many roles that don't require coding, and they all have a vital place in the tech space. Just like our bodies, we need all the parts to function. So the non-coding tech roles are as important as the coding roles. Don't you ever feel less important because you chose a non-coding role. So if you're not into coding, no worries, there's still a role for you. I have videos on high-paying coding tech roles and high-paying non-coding tech roles. I advise you to check them out next. Why should you consider a career in tech? In summary, it's a field full of endless growth, exciting challenges, and opportunities that can change your life, and not the other way around. If you have any question about any particular field or how you can get started, feel free to drop a comment below and I'm going to surely answer you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insight on building a successful, rewarding career in tech. Thanks for watching, and remember, tech is for everyone, and that includes you. Check out these videos about the high-paying roles you should learn. See you there. Bye!